Welcome back. So in this class, we're going to examine if we humans are omnivores. Omni, that comes from the word many, omnivores. Okay, so if you ask most people what humans are, they would actually say omnivores. Why? Because that's our behavior. That's what we do. We eat many things. We eat meat, we eat dairy products, eggs, some plants, some fruits, some seeds, some legumes, some grains, some roots. We eat anything that is relative, eatable, cooked, and that's relative digestible. Okay, if we could eat this, we would. Okay, if we can eat this, we would. We try to eat everything, herbs, whatever thing that it's like on planet Earth, almost we want to eat it. Okay, so that's why people believe that we're omnivores. The truth is that we are omnivores. Yes, we're omnivores in practice, just in practice. Okay, we're omnivores only because we use stoves, because we use condiments, we use taste excitants, which are called excitotoxins. We use camouflaging seasonings, spices. We use all these things, but it's not our natural instinct. Okay? If you couldn't camouflage all these things, all the foods, how much meat would you eat without salt, pepper? How much rice and pasta would you eat without oil or salt or spices? Okay? We try to masquerade all these foods which we wouldn't eat. Okay? They're not natural for us. So we are omnivores in practice. But that doesn't make us actually like physiological omnivores. In nature, if you see the species who are omnivores, it's not that they eat also like everything. Most of omnivores are carnivores which also eat a little bit of plants. For example, bears. Bears are mostly carnivores and they eat some plants. That makes them omnivores. Okay? So we're not carnivores, we're not herbivores, we're not starch eaters, and physiologically we're not omnivores. We cannot eat anything. What we're determined is by our physiology, not because of our behavior. By our behavior, we can do whatever we want, but that doesn't determine what we are. Okay? So the conclusion is that without tools at all, without technology, without packaging, without all these taste masking agents, we would soon lose all our omnivorous tendencies. Okay? If we don't cheat, we wouldn't be omnivores. Okay? If we couldn't spice or put salt in any of our foods, if we were in nature, we wouldn't be omnivores. Okay? Because we couldn't like eat the flesh, we couldn't eat like most of the plants. Okay? So I hope this brings you an insight, and I'll see you in the next class.